Morning everyone. We have started first lesson in English. The name of lesson is three questions. In this lesson we know that there is one king who wants to get answer to three questions, and for this he sent his messengers. He sent his messengers and promised to give a huge amount of sum as a reward. Many people came ahead. They gave answer differently, but king was not satisfied because everybody spoke differently and he was not satisfied with the answers of the people. So at last he decided to go to one hermit to seek his advice, and he goes there along with his bodyguard, but he goes alone to the hermit. Till here we have seen, and next part we will see now. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer three questions. How can I learn to do right thing at right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? So children, till here see, this our king goes near the hermit's hut, and he saw that the hermit was digging the ground with a spade, and he greeted the king and continued digging. Hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. Then king went up to the hermit and said that he had come there to seek answers to the questions, and the questions were, how can I learn to do the right thing at the right time, and who are the people king need most, and what affairs are the most important for the king. So this king went to hermit to seek answers to these three questions. I repeat once again, which those questions were: how can king learn to do right thing at the right time, and who are the people king need most, and what affairs are the most important for the king. So this king wants to get answer to these questions. For this purpose he went to hermit, and what happens in the story we'll see now. The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. So king means he was in another dress. For that hermit, he was just a simple person, common person only, because he went there in disguise, changing costume. Then hermit listened to the king, but did not speak a word. He continued his work, digging. King said, "You are tired," and king said that let him take a spade and work in hermit's place. King wanted to work. King wanted to dig the ground in place of hermit, to give rest to hermit. Okay, hermit said thanks, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. Hermit said thanks, and he gave his spade to the king, and he sat down on the ground, and he gives his spade to king. He sat down on the ground. Okay, in this one we have one difficult word here, affairs, which is given there. You can see affairs means things, matters, or business. Okay, this is one word, and digging is the word. I think you know that. To dig means what? Yes, to when we plant a particular tree or a sapling, we have to dig the ground using our spade. So that is what digging. Hope you can understand. When the king had dug two beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit gave no answer, but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade, and said, "Now you rest, let me work." Our king, after digging two beds, he stopped and asked his questions. But hermit responded nothing, gave no answer. He stood up and, stretching out his hand, asked for the spade, and he asked the king to take rest. Then, but the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. King did not give him spade. Continue to dig. 1 hour passed, then another. Hours passed. Then the sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, "I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home." One after another hours passed. The sun also went down behind the trees. Then at last the king stopped digging, stuck the spade into the ground, and said that he had come to that wise man to seek answers to some questions. And if that hermit is not able to answer, then he told that hermit, "You tell me like that, I will return home." Then, "Here comes someone running," said the hermit. Hermit said something. "Here comes someone running." So this is the part 1. Part 1 finishes here. Comprehension check. Questions are there. Why did the king want to know answer to these 3 questions? Second question, messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. Why did the king want to know answers to these 3 questions? Answer is like this. The king wanted to know answers to these 3 questions because of the thought came to his mind that he would never fail if he knew answers to these 3 questions. This is the answer, children. It is displayed here. You can write. Okay. Second question is there. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom, and the correct answer is option number 4. Option number 4 is the correct answer, to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. So these are the 2 answers of this question.